just because you just thought about it. So
We'll find something.
here we go.
Sunshine, moon, both waffle, by cold love and joy. Everything feels rebel. Texas dreams and travels wide. Life's a journey, love's our guide. Humbly, oh, with Misty. Smiles and adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way. Oh, with Misty. Smiles, adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way.
Diba? This is what called vlogger. Vlogging. Is someone vlogging again? What's this? Yeah, this is where we are right now. I just need to follow those two. So we are not even half of the place yet. So this is a Grand Prairie Traders World. There. Dami pa.
Cook, subscribe, come join the ride. A happy heart, a joyful vibe.
Oh my god, this is really so nice. One of those cute bazaar that I've been to. And there's a lot of gold lang daw. Oro laminado. Diba? Yeah, let's go straight back. So there he is, see? There's a lot. There's a lot.
Sunshine mornings, laughter bright. Love and joy, everything feels right. Texas dreams and travels wide.
Yeah, there's
Life's
one
a
out there.
journey, love's our guide.
So we're just walking. But I already got one.
Oh, with Misty. Smiles, adventures, come and see.
There's a lot of
Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way.
My husband got so curious. Anyway, alin what's ba ang aking pipiliin dito? I don't know.
I've never been able
Let's go take a look in those booths. Look at that. See? Yeehaw! Diba? Nice. A real from Texas. And then there's first for the women. I guess these are all for men. These are mostly for men. Here they got the women here. Look at this. Grow. Ayan, dami pa. Oh, yun ang maganda dito. Margarita bar. That's the best place, I guess. Yeah, got there. Pressures.
We gotta get you a hot link.
Yeah, look at this sky. Clouds. Another one to yeah, dami.
Texas dreams and
Yeah. This one was really I wanted to look at.
You want to go down there?
So here, that's Grand Prairie. Yep. There's more stalls out there. More clothes, more stuff. There. We're out here for content. Again, this is where I, gotta get siguro. I'm not gonna buy it anymore. Like, tama na. Stop it. Yeah, that's nice. There's more. There's more that we can, or that we need to explore out here. So, yep. What are you looking at again here, Ricky? Tools, more tools. Just go po. Sabay palak namin. Dami ng tools. Oh. Asia. Oh, Tokyo. Diba? Dami shoes. Look at that. Oh, there. So, may asan mo? Diba? Cute to. Nice. Ito na nga. Diba? Nakarating kami dito. And of course, yeah, this wanted to share with you all this adventure, gala adventure of Aditi. And I'm having fun. Those ponchos. There's a cute. Want to get one. Yan, dahil dyan, inulan na kami. It's raining already, so yeah, we're gonna end this this tour and hide somewhere else. We're gonna put it by. Yeah, it's raining already. Yeah. Everybody's gonna like running somewhere. Nobody's here. We're on the other side. So there's the ride. It's moving. Yeah.
Sunshine mornings, laughter bright, love and joy, everything feels right. Texas dreams and travels wide. Life's a journey, love's our guide. Homily, all with Misty. Smiles, adventures, come and see. Happiness in the everyday. Love and laughter lead the way.
So in the Philippines we call this Peria, and then here it's a Timor. That's it. Okay, see that? Yeah, I'm really having a good time here. So we're having a good time. And ayan, like Roywa face painting. Yeah, more food stalls. Yeah. Matches, the Garris grill. Garris grill. Ayan, tapos na kami. So, goodbye everybody.
It's like
Hearts a joyful vibe.
I mean,